Bro, someone's engine is literally out the car, bro.
That thing had a f***ing NOS.
The Mustang's coming. Someone lose their engine. Alright, what's up, fools? So the vlog's already starting, you know, as usual. We already got the police over here getting plates. Bunch of fools, but the White Castle, the OG spot, we're over here. About to see some in it, like always. This guy about to hit me over here, but if you haven't been to the spot, you're like 6 years late. But this is the spot where we all come and see people burning about this spot right here. That is speed bumps. If you don't know, like this dude's about to eat it. No, he got it. Yep, we got the police baton. We got these fools over here too. All of these ready to see some dude burn it. So look at them. Look at all these chickens. Got the Chargers pulling up, the Mopar crew. A lot more stuff is going down, so we're just gonna wait for locations drop after this gets popped, and then we're gonna check it out. That's what I'm talking about. What the hell? Y'all hear that? Woo! That shit hit it. That's nice. Woo! Check it out. We got a crowd going already. Just wait till it gets popped. You're finna see everybody run. Yo! This is our exit.
Uncle coming.
Yo! Oh! And deal way! No! Look at this guy. How's that sick? Woo! Damn it! Woo! That's how you burn one. Look at that. Yo, we got a front end conversion on the. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Damn, boys, check it out. Cop right there. Check it out. Chicago just built different. Chicago's just built different, man. 5-0 right there, spinning that. Oh, he's moving. Moving. Hey, hey, the cop is next.
Do burnout. Burnout.
Burnout. Check it out, guys. All the way down there. It is just insane out here. A huge crowd came out tonight. Hopefully we can keep this going because clearly we just had 5-0 roll over there and do nothing. They just watched us, which is phenomenal. Because look, we're not hurting nobody. We're just congregated right here. We're all chilling, you know, and that's what it's all about. I'm about to go warm up, but we're back out here, so let's see what everybody on.
Yeah.
My boy Lo, he's about to get stuck on there. Alright, boys. What, second spot? For the new people, you guys don't know, this is where food's spinning. Over there, of course, we just dipped and stuff is going down, but you know, we're gonna go back over here. See people spin it. Oh my lord. I almost fucking that. Hey. Oh, idiot. Whoa. Alright, bro. Wait, take a video right now.
No, there's an emergency they're going.
Oh, wow, guys. And that's how it should be. He dips when there's an actual emergency and, like, leaves us alone.
No way.
Yeah. Dude, look at that. Look, he's, like, literally actually dipping. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I got that whole thing. That's why you can probably spit it. No one can spit it. Yo, what up? Yes, sir. How you doing, Nacho, G? What up, Nacho? First time I meet you. Hell yeah, you guys how you doing? Right now, huh? Hell yes, dude. So that nigga was getting hit over there, way? I almost got hit over there. Well, that was your ass, wasn't it? No, that was his ass, bro. His ass almost got hit. Oh, fuck. Oh, it's got my phone. The Mustang's coming. what's up? You gotta post, you gotta post. Oh,
Right.
dude, you have it.
Yo, let's talk next to the couch. Let's talk next to the couch.
My boy out here. Alright, so that lasted a hell of a long time. Probably the longest it's been in months. But we're gonna go to the second spot. We just got a word for it. Clearly just got popped the crowd of the trolley. But next spot's about to be popping as well. See you guys there. Here. Dude.
It's on fire.
Bro, someone's engine is literally out the car, bro. He's gonna blow up, man.
Pull up to the car. Dude. They're okay at least.
Yo,
Ask if they're okay at least.
for real. Yeah. That's crazy, man. The people dip?
Ah, he did. He drunk.
What?
He's drunk? Yeah, he left.
Let's record it. We get out there. As long as no one died, we...
Really?
We're on Record Drive. He's in front of me.
My mess.
I don't know. Huh?
Get your car?
What do you mean? Oh, no, it's not mine. No, hell
the
no.
white one?
Huh?
Who's that one?
Oh, I don't know. It's our guys. It's one of our guys. Look,
What
the
are you
motor's
doing?
on fire. Look.
Dude, this is crazy. Wait, what happened to the other car?
I don't know. Look. Smoke came up.
This is done. Don't touch anything, bro. Airbag's gone. Everything's gone, man. Oh, Great. Alright guys, so apparently the guy left like either is this gas? No, it's transmission fluid. It's trans fluid. We got the engine right here, literally fill out the car. It's on fire, so we're probably gonna move because it's actually
They kept
fire.
blowing.
Yeah, I don't know if there's some inside the engine, possibly, but we're probably gonna let the engine be because it literally fill out the car. But the driver's nowhere to be found. Like, he's gone, and whoever he hit is also gone too. So this is like crazy. Like, we're just at the scene. We're waiting for police to show up because this is in the middle of the road. Yo, the engine's over there, bro.
Does that even happen?
Dude, look. It's not even in there. Like, it just ripped off. Like, it's gone.
Transmission.
Like, how do you do that? But this is what happened, boys. Hopefully there was
automatic.
Damn. Dude, you can't even tell, bro.
Well, what could he have smelled?
Yeah, it was automatic. It was automatic. Damn.
Look at that's
Stop.
the NOS holder.
Dude, this guy was flying.
Holy thing has NOS.
This guy was boosted.
He took his NOS. He did.
Yeah, he took his NOS. This guy took his nitrous dip. And there's the engine. We have no clue if he hit anyone because there's like no remains of anything. He must have hit a wall or something because it literally looks like he ricocheted and then went this way. Or someone hit him or something. Yeah. Well, we're gonna go, guys, because cops are on their way, and like this is crazy. We don't want to get involved too much, but we just came to document the thing to see if people were okay. But overall, that's a first. I've never seen that. I've never seen like the engine like gone. But check out Baby Yoda over there. Shout out to you, man. But this is crazy, guys. The engine's literally not even in the car. Like, wow. Like, that's what I'm saying. Drive safe, guys. If you're gonna come out, drive safe. This type of stuff we see.
We gotta bounce.
All right, we gotta go.
They're gonna ask us if we saw this shit.